Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know the sound of this letter? It says kind of like something you say when you think something's really yummy. You say Can you say that with me 3 times? Very good. 2 words that start with the sound are moon and mittens. Can you hear the sound in there? It says moon and mittens. Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the sounds. The sound sounds kind of like someone humming. So we're just going to make this sound. And at the same time, I'm going to have you move and swish your body like this. Are you ready to do it with me? Okay, ready? Go. Excellent job with your and swishing. Now, let's play our sound game. Get your pointer fingers out. I want you to point to the one that says Are you ready? I'm going to show you 3 pictures. Dog, moon, ball. Dog, moon, ball. Which one has the sound? That's right, it's moon. Good job. You did a very good job learning your sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.